Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be replacing the stock high and low beam bulbs on this 2015 Subaru Forester XT with our SL1 LED replacements. Installation could not be simpler and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. To get started replacing our passenger side high beam, you're going to reach up underneath this support brace, disconnect the factory harness first, and then turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Take your 9005 size SL1 replacement, plug it back into the factory harness. With our connection made, you can plug the SL1 back into your factory housing. Next, we'll remove our H11 size factory low beam. Again, disconnect that factory connection and then turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Connect your H11 size SL1 to the factory harness. Then with a good connection, go ahead and plug the bulb back into the housing and turn it clockwise to secure it. And then you'll repeat these same steps on the driver's side to finalize your installation. With our SL1 LED high and low beams installed, you'll not only have dramatically better visibility at night, but a clean, modern look for your Forester. These bulbs are available right now on diodedynamics.com, so click the link below for more information or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.